New Haven High School. They brought 25 students to our facility here at L&L Products in Romeo for a manufacturing day experience. We had 6 different stations that they went through to see everything from injection molding to tool design. I think it was a great day. Kids seemed to be really interested. They went home with some gifts and some like our frisbees that were made. They got to see those made on their injection molding machines and take a part home with them. So all in all, great day.